Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, this is Sandhya and a huge welcome to you to my channel. And today my room tour is finally up. I had been receiving so many comments and messages to upload my room tour, and this is the most requested video. So I had been trying to upload it since last 2 months, but because of some issues I wasn't able to. But yeah, it is here today, and I hope you will love the room tour. I have been just cleaning my room and setting up things, and now I'm shooting at night. So without much further talk, let's get started.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
Entering into the room, here is this door, and this space is left empty. And on top of it is this world map, which is just hidden behind this almirah. Over here, I have my class photographs. This is from class 9. And over here this is from class 8 and 7, and the others are kept inside this almirah. Over here we have the small plants. This is actually fake, but these cacti are real. And here also we have few, and over here it's just empty. I have to put something over there, really. Okay, so this is the almirah where all my craft supplies are there, but I'm not gonna show you because it is just messed up and I didn't get time to clean it up, so sorry for that. Here is this switchboard that I painted myself, and you can watch the video by tapping on the eye option on the top right corner. And over here are these Polaroids that I got printed online. Coming to these pictures, over here I have a series of videos that I created in quarantine for home photoshoot ideas, and I just got a really great and nice response, especially on this video. And you can just click on the eye and find. And this prize over here I got at my school 5 years ago for best dancer, and I love its design because it seems like an Oscar award for me, and I love the design, so I kept it like that over here. And this is a dual drawer. On the first one I have these wires of laptop ring light, a selfie stick, okay, and a hot glue gun. And on the next drawer it is filled up with accessories and messed up, so I'm not gonna show that one. Okay, so coming to this side, these are fake money plants with which I have decorated few fairy lights over here, here, and here. Okay, so these are so like looking so beautiful. I just decorated it today morning, and this is a Pinterest inspired DIY. You can just find it on Pinterest and any home decor ideas or so. And this is just so beautiful, and when the lights are turned off, this looks so amazing. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Wait. And here it is. It's looking so beautiful. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Like, the view is really very good. I don't know what happened to my face. So now coming to this part, here is this theme spot that
I decorated myself, and if you haven't watched the video yet, then you can just click here on the eye.
or you can just go to my description box. I will link it down below, and over here I will show you just quickly what I made. So this is made from a rock, and over here which you can find, this is actually fruit basket. And coming to over here, this is a dream catcher. These are two cities which I decorated, and this was actually a clock which I renovated.
And that's something beautiful. Coming to here is phases of moon. I really love this decor, and this is quite a good piece. And coming to this one, this I actually made with newspaper. Yeah, this is made with newspaper. So you need to definitely check out the video if you haven't. And this is actually a cookie tin cookie, whatever. This is a cookie, what to say? Leave it. This is a cap of cookie tin. And over here is this one. I DIYed this too.
This was a great makeover I did, and I actually changed the plant. There was another plant I thought to change it because I like this one more. Okay, and coming to this one, this is my favorite spot in that video too. And now coming down, we have this light box whose light is not switched on now. Actually, I'm not finding the batteries nor the cables, so better it's like this. And this is a fox grass. And now here is this ring light over here, and I have this tripod.
The curtain whose print is really cool and calm, and I love this one. And coming
To the main wall over here, I'm gonna show you a close-up look first. This is my bed. I know it is lagging few cushions. I actually have a huge teddy, but it is really huge, so it will just hide these things. So I kept it in other room, and I have this blanket and coming chair. Okay, so this one is actually a cork board which I painted it silver and just decorated with few fake flowers and few Polaroids. Here at the top we have this ladder that I made 3 to 4 years ago, and this is the prettiest DIY that I have ever made. This is a butterfly drawing that I made. I know this is not that realistic, but still I tried. And this one is also a DIY, and here are two cute cushions pillows. This is a cute panda. Over here is a heart-shaped mesh board where I have just put a few random things, and this ladder you can see is also a DIY.
and this is it.
Here is these photo frames that had been hung here permanently for more than 3 years now. I haven't changed their positions, and I think I have to change it soon. Yes, that's me over there. I got these Polaroids printed with those ones that I showed you earlier.
Here I have this playful plant, and this is a Pinterest inspired wall hanging.
And coming to my desk area,
So first of all, here I have got this pencil colors, sketch pens, markers, and this is my MacBook. And over here, so I have designed this wall by myself. Few are my drawings, and few are from magazine, and few are from random books. Okay, so let's get a closer look. Over here, I have a huge collection of magazines, especially Vogue. I have issues from January to July, I guess. Yep, to August actually. And here are a few notebooks. I have 3 unicorn notebooks, and these are all gifted to me.
so this is my precious play button that I made for myself when I achieve 1K subscribers. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. Hope you liked it, and if you did, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do comment down how you found the room tour and suggest some new video ideas. With this, thank you.
Bye!